fẹ́ ṣẹ́ wọ̀n.
Ayakata.
Ó fẹ́ ṣẹ́ gbẹ̀n.
Ayakata.
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 Ayakutu.
Alright, na mi videos na wata program wana fundi bodo bia boto na video malande wakaje wanyi Yoruba Kingdom do. So neta ni one of Ibralandi amenyo one of Galalandi. So you one of Nupelandi, Jagabon of Baglandi, Damasani Hausawa of Hausaland, the Mola the one of Fulani land, the Mark one of Gana Kingdom, the Magaga one of Kaka Kingdom, Omale kan of video malande Quran of Tako Kingdom, the Chirigo one of Pigidiland in Nomshan of Tivland. Come your honorable ambassador, Ape the great, you never fail break, you never miss road. And maybe the Honorable Speaker of Ayakata Assembly. Yes, on top the matter today, you know, say Ayakata Assembly in a place where they pick some kind cocoa informate the nakuna. Some of the things on I don't know, we go help una to know them. Yes, we know they talk long story. Some of the things will happen this week. Now we want touchlight. Before we continue, make we take this chicken break.
Ayakata.
Ayakata.
Ayakutu.
Una welcome back, as the matter they take be. Some of the tourists where we get for this week, matter will pinch me for liver. You know, I dey always want people to make we dey very careful. The kind places where they go look for miracle. I don't know problem for Nigeria. Every problem where they get, they go say now spiritual. Person no born pikin. You no go think whether I get health wahala na spiritual. You and your husband no go even go for checkup yet. Una go don conclude say na spiritual. If you remember, in 2017, he get one pastor. We know they call those type pastors. So this one talk same na prophets. One pastor where being by one woman in 2017, the case been they drag for court. Now, they don't pass judgment. They don't touchlight the matter. So yesterday will be Thursday, and they toss it in summon hammer for table. And they take past judgment, say may they sentence the bros to life imprisonment. This man why name be Prophet Olakanye Oni. They don't sentence him to life imprisonment. Meaning say go spend the rest of his life for Sanko. Unto say they say by that woman where been come for miracle baby. Oni na prophet him be with Christ Apostolic Church. CAC, Palace of Mercy, Olokuta, Ado Ekiti. Now they accuse say by the woman where her name be Mrs. Badamosi Omowole. Why just come in church saying they look for how God go take give and pikin. Sake of say the woman married for 7 years, she no born. Instead, when the man go pray for this woman, now the man comes and says, no problem. On the 13th of December, come. And the woman come true. Like play that play now, so this man do something when nobody understand. He hypnotize the woman. The woman come confused. Now so he take corner the woman. Enter a room. He first take browse the woman after I put white clothes on top the woman. After I browse the woman finish, now so they talk say, he can't carry something, potash. After I first of all use white hanky, take clean something from the woman vagina. Now he can't chook something inside. The potash where he chook, after some days now they say the woman a website, come begin roti. Now from the roti, now they rush the woman go hospital. Last, the woman no make and so the woman take die. So since 2017, the matter they caught. But finally, they don't talk, say yes, the man commit the offense and may go spend the rest of his life for Sanko. You see the picture of the man. Now the man be this, and now the woman 9 days that side. Yes, the innocent woman where then key. Now she did the other side. Now the wicked pahito, where he saying be prophet 9 days this side.
Ayakata.
Ayakata.
Ayakutu.
Another matter where shock me. I don't know how some people live a view. Some people go just they behave like say they no be human being. Now so one woman, young go quick and not go call her woman. Which year woman? Small girl. Girl of 18 years, now woman be that. Or maybe she just enter womanhood. Or maybe because she don't dey knack. That's why if he call her woman. Now so they say this woman. Oh, I don't call her woman again. This Okweke, or this Smolly, or this wicked girl, took iron rod inside the private part of her stepdaughter. Just because she talks, say the small girl, they piss for bed. We say the small girl are just 5-year-old. Now this woman commit the badness. This lady where they talk say her name now Aisha Mohammed, now 18-year-old. Now she be. Just because she talks, say her stepdaughter, they piss for bed. Now she put hot iron rod inside her website. No be wickedness be that. No be juju be that. Just 5-year-old girl. Who knows? Maybe this kind girl self, maybe when she date 10, she feel dey even peace for bed. Who knows? This one now, just 5-year-old. Well, the mama and the relatives of the small girl, all of them, they fear now whether the girl go fit live normal life again. The thing they shock everybody now. The mother of the small girl, where be Aisha Abdullahi, she said the only way they make her fear now whether her pikin, her daughter go fit live normal life again as a woman. As they come say they don't damage her website. On top of the matter, the Federation of International Women Lawyers, FIDA, Adamawa State Chapter, they don't swear, don't take and beat them chest to say this small girl must to get justice. According to Khadija Nasir, who be member of the association, Ogato Kwezo Fekelebe for the state, where be DSP Suleiman Unguroje. Young give Tory people, he said they already grabbed the Okweke, where be 18-year-old. And she did for Sanko now, she did download sense. Too sad. It too bad. On 1st of July, now then gbab am. If you know, say you want divorce will not say make you no divorce. But make sure, say, you divorce and your husband a person wey get sense. Because if you leave children for man wey no get sense, those children go suffer. The mama of this small girl now na divorce, now she divorce. Oh. Now this girl wey fine. Say how she fine. Small girl. You know say how she fine? As she fine like this, if you see her, you no go ever believe, say, she get wicked heart. Fine girl. Well, if you see for road, he go give you ginger to say, hello, ne how far? But see as you wicked. So, now waiting divorce they cause sometime. I pray may God heal this small girl, and I pray make this girl self hear me for Sanko where she did so. Coming from there.
Ayakata.
Ayakata.
Ayakutu.
Yes, another matter where shake me. This one shock me. Now one married man, no, they said the man they knock. He dey knock. Now him with the Okweke, 2 of them nearly die. Oh. But the Okweke blood strong. Now the man now can't die. The question why I want to ask be say, waiting these 2 people chop. Where give the 2 of them the ginger like this? 2 of them knock, so then say the 2 of them faint. This man a hero, he be. Something must kill a man. All die na die. This man wey dey talk say come up from Okposhi inside Ebonyi State. He die. As he dey on top woman they stammer the casa. The young Okweke self now dey hospital. They rush her go hospital because she self faint. That's why I say the matter they shock me. How the man go faint? The woman go faint. Just because 2 of them they knock. How the thing hot reach? It shocked me. Oh. According to Tory people, they said the man, after they knock, now so he faint on top. The Okweke self faint. When they rush them go hospital, then give the Okweke oxygen. Now she bounce back. Then she still there for hospital as they follow you talk so. But as for the man, he never begin rest in peace. In the rest in mortuary for now. He dey rest in mortuaries for now. They say the matter happened for one of the hostels where they in front of Alex Ekweme Federal University for Undufualike, Ikwo. And last week, now this matter happened, according to Tori, where we get. That's why the 2 of them enjoy the sex. They enjoy the quaffle. They enjoy it. Enjoy and so from enjoyment, the thing turn to another thing. So, Oga, well done, eh? Rest in peace. You wear one knock with care, knock responsibly. Make 12 na no kill yourself.
Ayakata.
Ayakata.
Ayakutu.
Another matter where pinch me for liver this week. Inside life, I dey shock. The thing they make me supply. How some people no go let their head rest. And they advise people say if your head no fit carry highness, keep your head for one side. And this is the story of one Abia State University student. We hear say bros jump from a 3-story building. Now so he die. And a highness cause am. Highness. 9 cause am. Let's say after he take hard drugs, take everything. In fact, according to his friends, they say na Colorado. Now he take. After he take Colorado, now he begin misbehave. After he Mezebu finish, high, now he begin misbehave. They say his friends even lock him. They lock him. 400 level student where they read better course optometry. And the department when they be that. An optometry student of Abia State University. In name na Francis Chubuike. They say after he don't high, where does they do anyhow? Now his friends lock him inside room. Make them run, make them go look for things where go calm and down. In fact, according to Asian Krokro, they call eyewitness, they say when it over high, now his friends lock him. They come, they rush, they go. After they lock him for the place where they live, where be Favor Lodge, it is located off campus. Now on Saturday, now this one happen, just on Saturday. Now they say then they go look for Gary, so that at least when he drink Gary, it may be mind you calm down, head go calm down small. As you know, people wait for them, now so bros come follow backyard. Then lock normal door, but then come follow backyard. Come jump from 3-story building. I don't know what they think. You know, so when you high, you can misbehave. When person high, go be like everything they achievable. I'm telling you, even caterpillar, your mind say if you use caterpillar, do toothpick. I'm telling you, now highness with that. See him now, fine guy, just waste in destiny like that. So, after he knock ground, there's so blood just they pop off, come up from his head. And so he take die. The chief security officer for the school, where be Navy Commander, thank God, Evlobi, he don't retire, he confirmed the matter, but he talks in one of the consequences of hard drug be that. Drug abuse no good. Drug abuse they destroy. It they destroy. It they destroy. So may the family of this man, may them bear the loss, and may his soul rest in peace. Maybe for the next word, you know go over they do drug. Even if you want to go do small. Sad. That's not how the matter go take be today. Until next week, we go hook up again. Make you not forget to the station. And of course, the place where they watch me from so, na Ayakata Community TV. Thank you and God bless you. Honorable Ambassador Ape the Great, now my name. Pow.
Ó fẹ́ ṣẹ́ wọ̀n.
Ayakata.
Ó fẹ́ ṣẹ́ gbẹ̀n.
Ayakata.
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 Ayakoto.